भगवान श्री आदिशंकराचार्य विरचित श्री शिवापराध क्षमापन स्तोत्रम्। आदौ कर्म प्रसंगात् कलयति कलुषं मातृकुक्षौ स्थितं मां विण्मुत्रा मेद्य मध्ये क्वथयति नितरां जाठरो जातवेदाः। यद्यद्वै तत्र दुःखं व्यथयति नितरां शक्यते केन वक्तुं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। बाल्ये दुःखातिरेको मललुलितवपुस्तन्यपाने पिपासा नो शक्तश्चेन्द्रियेभ्यो भवगुणजनिता जन्तवो मां तुदन्ति। नानारोगादिदुःखात् हृदनपरवशः शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। प्रौढोऽहं यौवनस्थो विषयविषधरैः पञ्चभिर्मर्मसन्धौ दष्टो नष्टो विवेकः सुतधनयुवति स्वादसौख्ये निषण्णः। शैवी चिन्ताविहीनं मम हृदयमहो मानगर्वाधिरूढं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। वार्धक्ये चेन्द्रियाणां विगतगतिमतिश्चाधिदैवादितापैः पापैर्रोगैर्वियोगैस्त्वनवसितवपुः च दीनं मिथ्यामोहाभिलाषैर्भ्रमति मम मनो धूर्जटेर्ध्यानशून्यं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। नो शक्यं स्मार्तकर्म प्रतिपदगहनप्रत्यवायाकुलाख्यं श्रौते वार्ता कथं मे द्विजकुलविहिते ब्रह्ममार्गे सुसारे। नास्था धर्मे विचारः श्रवणमननयोः किं निदिध्यासितव्यं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्नात्वा प्रत्यूषकाले स्वपनविधिविधौ नाघृतं गाङ्गतोऽयं पूजार्थं वा कदाचित् बहुतरगहनात् खण्डबिल्वीदलानि नानीता पद्ममाला सरसि विकसिता गन्धपुष्पे त्वदर्थं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। दुग्धैर्मध्वाज्ययुक्तैर्दधिसितसहितैः स्नापितं नैव लिङ्गं नो लिप्तं चन्दनाद्यैः कनकविरचितैः पूजितं न प्रसूनैः। धूपैः कर्पूरदीपैर्विविधरसयुतैर्नैव भक्षोपहारैः क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। ध्यात्वा चित्ते शिवाख्यं प्रचुरतर्धनं नैव दत्तं द्विजेभ्यो हव्यं ते लक्षसङ्ख्यैर्हूतवः वदने नार्पितं बीजमन्त्रैः। नो तप्तं गाङ्गतीरे व्रतजपनियमैरुद्रजाप्यैर्न वेदैः क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्थित्वा स्थाने सरोजे प्रणवमयमरुत्कुण्डले सूक्ष्ममार्गे शान्ते स्वान्ते प्रलीने प्रकटितविभवे ज्योतिरूपे पराख्ये लिङ्गज्ञे ब्रह्मवाक्ये सकलतनुगतं शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। नग्नो निस्सङ्गशुद्धस्त्रिगुणविरहितो ध्वस्तमोहान्धकारो नासाग्रे न्यस्तदृष्टिर्विदितभवगुणो नैव दृष्टः कदाचित्। उन्मन्यावस्थया त्वां विगतकलिवलं शङ्करं न स्मरामि। क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। चन्द्रोद्भासितशेखरे स्मरहरे गङ्गाधरे शङ्करे सर्पैर्भूषितकण्ठकर्णविवरे नेत्रोत्थवैश्वानरे दन्तित्वकृतसुन्दराम्बरधरे त्रैलोक्यसारे हरे मोक्षार्थं कुरु चित्तवृत्तिमखिलाम् अन्यैस्तु किं कर्मभिः। किं वानेन धनेन वाजिकरिभिः प्राप्तेन राज्येन किं वा पुत्रकलत्रमित्रपशुभिर्देहेन गेहेन किं। ज्ञात्वैतत्क्षणभङ्गुरं सपदिरे त्याज्यं मनो दूरतः स्वात्मार्थं गुरुवाक्यतो भज भज श्रीपार्वतीवल्लभम्। आयुर्नश्यति पश्यतां प्रतिदिनं याति क्षयं यौवनं प्रत्यायान्ति गताः पुनर्न दिवसाः कालो जगद्भक्षकः। लक्ष्मीस्तोयतरङ्गभङ्गचपला विद्युच्चलं जीवितं तस्मान्मां शरणागतं शरणद त्वं रक्ष रक्षाधुना। करचरणकृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। हरिः ओम्। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम भवानी शंकरौ वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्थमीश्वरम्। हरि ओम। In this text, Sri Shivaparad Kshamapana Stotram, we all as spiritual seekers get very good guidance. So first, when we become aware of all our aparadhas that what we have done, so we seek forgiveness from the Lord. Then, now we should move onward. How long we are going to say the same thing? Therefore it was said, now mokshartham kuruchitta vrittim akhilam. Now you focus your mind, absorb your mind in that Lord Shiva. Chandrodbhasita Shekhare Smarhare Gangadhare Shankare. That Lord who is Sakal Kalyan Guna Nidhan, the very abode of all noble, auspicious virtues. And the best part is, he is very forgiving. Now, Karunavatar, he forgives. So now, mokshartham, up till now your all thoughts were only bhogartham, and bhoge roga bhayam. When you only think of bhoga, pleasures, enjoyment, only it causes only roga, whether physical, mental and all that. But now mokshartham chitta vrittim kuru. After now you spent so much of time in earning all worldly wealth and all that. Now understand what is the use of all that. That is said in the next sloka, that is 12th one. Now we will see. Kim va nena dhanena vajikaribi praptena rajyena kim. Kim va putra kalatra mitra pashubhi dehena gehena kim. Jnatvai tat kshana bhanguram sapadire tyajyam mano durataha swatmartham guruvakyato bhaja bhaja Sri Parvati Vallabham. So, Tyajam Mano, that directly is advice to mind. Oh mind, now mind your true business of life. Hey Manaha, please understand. Kimva nena dhanena. You earn a lot of wealth. Very good. But then not more. See, all the worldly gains are such that before we gain them, always we feel that if you get this, then my life will be fulfilled. And then nothing more I want. But when you get that again, if you think you have, remember your experiences, then even little children also, when they cry for some toy and all that, if the mother, father, they tell, you promise that you will not ask anything more than after this? No, I will not ask anything more. Then you give that. Then play with that toy for some time. Then got bored. Again, see, the difference between children's toys and grown-up toys is only price tag. The child is happy with a toy, man wants a Toyota. Then I say, what is this? This is also nothing, newest model of Mercedes and BMW and all that, what I want. So the point is, before gaining, we always think that if I get this, it's not only about material wealth, about the place, about job or the person and all that. When somebody is in love with someone, only I must get married, then I tell you everything will be fine and all that. How long and all that will go on? Before gaining, see, this is a very important point. So they say, you got all this wealth, now you think, what did you get? किंवा अनेन धनेन, by this wealth, vaji karibhi. Vaji means horse and kari means the elephant. In those days, all that richness of a person, how much cattle he has, how many cows he has, or horses he has, and elephants he has, and praptina rajyina, what kingdom, how vast kingdom you have, your empire, your business, your family, whatever is that. So in those days, that was the wealth. Pashubhi. Now you can substitute with them all other things, whatever you think. My knowledge of other things is very, very limited. So all different, I got all the latest models of all cars, a fleet of cars I have got. Acha, then say only cars? I have the whole aeroplane company only. And the other man say, oh, that which went broke just now. I have got private planes. I have. Third man says, I have got my own ship. Oh, on the road, in the air, on the water, I said. So you may not talk about Vaji Kari, but all other things you talk about. I got a house in the village, in the city, in the forest, and on the seashore and on mountain top and all that. Very good. Then, the bottom line, are you happy? Do you feel that what you wanted, you got it? That is a problem. किं वा नेन धनेन वाजि करिभि प्राप्तेन राज्येन किम. Many great Samrat Chakravartis also, they renounced the whole their empire and they went to the forest only for tapas finally. किं वा पुत्र कलत्र मित्र पशुभिः. When you feel that you are alone, you must get married because now you have got all these things. And one man, young man, not getting married quickly, his friend asked, why are you not getting married? You don't want? No, of course I want. Then, but you say, I've been looking for perfect girl. But now I found. Then marry, but she is looking for a perfect boy. And I don't fall in that category. Kya karega? So whole thing is there, the house is there, but no one to. But anyway, finally got married also. Then putra also. Pautra, prapautra. Putra, kalatra means wife. Putra means son. When you say putra, putri also should be understood immediately. What about putri? About daughter? Are daughter also. Son and daughter and all that. Mitra, friends, many friends. Pashus, already I said. All animals and cattle and all that also. Dehena, gehena, perfect body, healthy also, and house also is. Actually, it is a palace. It's not just a house, 3 bedrooms, some apartment in some building in Mumbai. Oh, acha, very good. We'll read the whole shloka. Hey Manaha, just think. You all wanted all these things, you got also, but now think, before gaining all this you wanted, that your life will be perfect and all. But what is that now? What is all that? Jnatvai tat kshanabhanguram. Jnatva, understanding, etat, all this what is enumerated here just now is kshanabhanguram. It perishes in a moment. Even moment is a long time. In a fraction of a moment, everything can just go. Jnatva etat kshanabhanguram. Therefore, sapadire tyajam. Re, are. Hey mana, re mana. Tyajam. It should be given as sapadi means quickly. Don't say as earlier as possible. Now only just drop it. And do you know, give it up, throw it away. What we do, you know? Sometimes we are attached to something, but I want to throw it. At the close distance. And I see also where I dropped. And when somebody is not watching, again go and pick it up also. Durada Chapadire, Dajam Durada, not only distance wise, but from mind also it should go. Because sometimes we throw away things, but attachment, liking for them, and all that, taste for them remains, and again mind goes. Durata means mentally also. And if my mentally given up, then physically don't have to throw it far away anyway. Because it was the mind that was attached. Jnatvai tat kshanabhanguram sapadire tyajam mano durataha swatmartham guruvakyato bhaja bhaja Sri Parvati Vallavam. So the one side of the coin is now develop this vairagya, drop all this, understand. You wanted all this for everlasting, all that great peace, satisfaction, happiness and all that, but that we never got, and this everything perishes and all that. Now, bhaja bhaja Sri Parvati Vallabham. Now you worship Bhavani Shankara, Shiva Parvati, Shiva Parvati Vallabham, the beloved Lord of Parvati. Both of them, huh? Parvati Vallabham, you, because as Kavi Kalidas, Mahakavi Kalidas said, Jagata Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaru. The Parvati Parameshwara, they are our parents of the whole world. Jagat Mata, Jagat Pita. Worship them. Bhaja Bhaja. What for? Swatmartham. To gain your real gain of life, which is your own self. See, remember in life, please understand, other than our own self, nothing we can say it is mine. Nothing. Only that Satchidananda Atma, that alone is me. There is no question of my also. That if at all you have to say that something is mine, which really belongs to you, that is Swatma. Everything other than that is Anatma only, or not self. One Mahatma said very nicely, the difference between samsara and God, which is our own true self. He says samsara is that however you may try to catch hold of it and retain it in your hand, samsarati, it will just slip away from your hand. You cannot hold. And God is that however you may try to get rid of Him, you cannot, because it's your own self. And only when you realize your true self, then only there is Param Shanti. Ordinarily also when people travel, very fond of vacation and touring and all that, but the journey is complete and happy only when they reach their sweet home, isn't it? Huh? En route, during in between, they may stay even in five-star hotel and all that also, but only when they come back home, that is the only. One man said, I didn't like that, this was five-star hotel and all that. Oh, why? You see, the problem is I have to ring the bell, somebody is to come or somebody answer, and whatever I wanted, they were giving. कुछ मजा ही नहीं आया. I didn't enjoy very much. But when I came home and I asked my wife, get me a cup of tea, she said, how many times? Already you had 4 cups and all that. Then she brought. It was so nice. Home, sweet home. Anyway, when we come back our home, in the game of baseball also they make home run. And when they have a home run, they start great joy that is there. So, swapmartham bhaja bhaja parvati vallabham. And remember, but how to worship and all that? Guru vakyataha. Not whichever way, you just go, we don't know where you will reach. Therefore, Guru Vakya, as the teacher instructs you, Acharya Upadesham, Anusaran, following that Guru's teaching, that you should do that. So now here Bhagavan himself has given the guidance, how we should become aware of all our ignorance and all that, how we should ask for forgiveness. Then now decide that now I am going to focus the mind in there. Then it is said this, Kim va nena dhanena vajikaribhi praptena rajyena kim Kim va putra kalatra mitra pashubhir dehena gehena kim Nyātvai tat kshana bhanguram sapadire tyajyam mano durataha Swatmanam guru vakyato bhaja bhaja Sri Parvati Vallabham. Now when you read such shlokas, the reactions of people, those who are in the prime youth, etc., and they got so much of ambitions and all that, if they read this type of shloka, they don't like it. I think these spiritual teachers, I don't know why they are so allergic to this worldly wealth. And every time, give up, give up, give up. One man said, recently I have read so much about the evil effects of smoking, drinking, indulging, that I have stopped reading only. Because they take away all pleasure from life only, This is one reaction. The other may not react in this way, but that person may feel, why it is so bad when we have desire to get all this? Is there something wrong or what? After all, we are born in this world, we get educated, all this, and immediately say, that's why India is poor, because these people are the same time. But they forget, all those invaders who came from outside, they looted all wealth from here. Did they bring any wealth? No. It was called a golden sparrow, sone ki chidiya. So there was all wealth here. In India also. So one may react in this way, that all the time they are talking about that as though this is very evil, this is very bad, and this is very wrong, and I don't listen to these things. Other person may feel that is there wrong in that, that. So what we have to understand is our lifespan in the beginning of our student life, at that time, we must study very well. Then, afterwards, first is to learn. Then, of course, there is a one stage in life you have to earn. What is actually criticized or condemned is when person wants to earn everything only for himself or herself, or at the most little of his family, or all that, and then never feels any concern for anybody. Only I want more and more for myself. And then even if somebody says you must share your wealth, why should I share? Let them also earn. Then this kind of this attitude is something which is detrimental to their any kind of peace, prosperity and happiness also. It is never said that you don't earn. When you read further, in the Shastra and all that, it is said, particularly in a household life, the person must have plenty in his house of everything. But not only just to indulge and enjoy himself only, no. Of course, you have to enjoy, no doubt. But with all this wealth, you must see how you can serve others also. You will find many examples, like, in Akbar's court, there one very great person called Rahim Dohe and all that. He was a very saintly person. He was rich. Anyone came to his place, nobody went empty-handed. And always he felt that it is the real giver is the Lord. These people are keeping thanking me, but the real giver is the Lord. He just went on you. Sant Eknath Maharaj, he also was well-to-do person. In his house, everything open. I am not talking of Janak Maharaj or all others. These people of the many of them. So it is not the scriptures or teachers they are against desire for wealth or earning that. But one point is that we must remember this also should be earned with right means, and it should be used for right cause and not for only indulgence. Then comes a third stage. You have enjoyed, you have shared with all that, but this is not the final goal. You must grow out of it. To give simple example, children, they are given toys, they are given teddy bears and all that. But suppose a child who has become now 15-year-old and still carrying the teddy bear. Then you feel like one slap. How long you are going to play with that only? That means a particular stage, age, that spiritual evolution, certain things, they are understandable. But you must grow out of that. What to talk? Even when the spiritual thing you come, Shravan, Manan, Niya, they say now meditation, they rise above meditation also. What to talk of that? So what is this other thing? So we are not against. But all the time thinking only that. So when are you going to grow? When are you going to know your own true self? So if you get stuck here only, then it is deplorable only, shameful also, and below human dignity also. Because along with the senses, you have got mind, you have got intellect. So if you remain on the level only of body and senses, sense pleasure, isn't it insult to your own human dignity? That's what the point is. So you have learned, you have seen, very good. But now understand all this, you cannot hold on to all that. There's a beautiful story in the life of Guru Nanak Dev. One rich man was extremely miser. And Guru Nanak Dev had compassion for him and he gave him one needle. He said, you keep this with you for me till I ask you to give me back. How long I will keep that? You keep. When we meet in the heaven, you give me this needle. Can I carry this needle with me now? You are telling me. Everything you dropped here, isn't it? That's what I am telling you. You can't carry even a needle with you. Are you going to carry all the property, all this? That man was changed. Kshanabhangole. You can't carry, you cannot call anything as your own. As I said, only your own self is your own self. बाकी कुछ भी नहीं, nothing else. Therefore it is स्वात्मार्थम. गुरु वाक्यतः भज भज श्री पार्वती वल्लभम. They are our Jagan Mata Pita. By their blessings and by Guru's blessings we can reach this. Otherwise we will get stuck only. So we have, for everything there is a time, and then we must keep moving. As I said, in spiritual life, ultimately, even why meditation also is there. You are your own self when you realize, after there is no need of meditation also. But I should not say that now. I am sorry I said it. So, what to talk of all other worldly wealth then? Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om. 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 Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om. हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये, हर हर महादेव. श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.